All right, I hadn't looked very far into this because I hadn't really thought about it, but went and bought some of the cheap oven cleaner, or had the wife while she was out. Had her buy some of that, and I was like, yeah, I want to clean the frame up. And I've heard of it working. I didn't expect it to work very well, but I barely started blasting this, and all I did, I sprayed down the front and back of my frame last night, or after work rather, probably around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Just now getting home today, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Hosed it down again, went inside, dropped some stuff off, got the pressure washer outside, and like this stuff's coming off pretty quick. I'll update, but hold on. All right, this side here, I haven't done shit but spray that on it yet. This, I barely got into this, and it's already blasting all this crud off. So, like I said, I'm gonna update here in a second. There's everything as it is, and we'll see, get a before and after when it's done. I'm not gonna show the bed, the back end, because there's just not a lot of grease back there, unlike the front of this. So let's see what it looks like when I'm done. All right, that's I ain't gonna lie, I'm very, very, very pleased with that. I will still hit this with a grinder, but as you can see from the barren rust surface and all of this right here that clearly was covered so much so soon that it is bare metal because oil covered it and never got to rust. So pretty awesome. I really, honestly, guys, if you're gonna do this, the only thing I can recommend is just really, man, 2 cans underneath here is what I did. And I will say there's some spots that I could have got better, like, you know, up in here in the deep cracks of nowhere. Like I still got to blast this spot right here out. It's getting there. I haven't taken my grinding wheel to it yet. It's just a, you know, 16 bolt with a little small brush. I'm just gonna use that to get in some spaces. But I mean, this is like, what can you ask for? This is a little cheap ass pressure washer that I borrowed from a buddy, 2300 psi. I mean, he has that for washing his Mustang. He's got a, you know, the LT powered 2020 Mustang. We put an LT in it, and he uses that to wash it in his other vehicles. So I borrowed that because I didn't have one. I'm like, well, you know, I wanted to use it to try to blast the paint off this. As you can see, it's, you know, got some paint on it now. Before it was all nasty. I was going to try to blast paint off instead of sanding. That didn't work for that. But for this, yeah, I mean, I just wish it would take all the paint off of these guys, because now I'm going to have to do it by hand. But yeah, I mean, like, what's not to like about how this has turned out so far? I've been at this for probably 10 minutes. Like, this is, I'm all about volumetric efficiency, and as you can tell, it's blasted off large chunks of just nasty everywhere. So yeah, I am all about using that yellow cheap can of oven cleaner, because color me impressed. Hopefully this stands out to you guys. Let me walk around the back. I guess I can do a before and after that, just because, I guess. I mean, that's what she looks like right now. She's you know, not super crusty like the front was, but you know, there's some bullcorn in there. So let me hit the back, and I'll show you what that looks like, just because we're already at it. All right, that is 0 scrubbing whatsoever. It's not dried yet, I just got done, but I would definitely say that's an improvement as well. It was nice to see all this crap get knocked off, and my fat ace even crawled beside the truck and got up underneath there and sprayed the bottom. So it's nice to have it. New roof on, and got some cheap ass spray paint on here for now. I'm just doing a little custom worn faded paint job's gonna go on here, but yeah, I'm not disappointed. Got plenty of red steel hanging out here that's ready to get ground down a little bit and shoot some fucking paint on there. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy.